if I was to ask one of your colleagues what kind of boss you are, what do you think that they would say?
I would like to think they would say I'm approachable, friendly. Yeah, just being able to approach me with any questions. I like questions. I'd rather you ask me something if you're not sure than kind of sit there stressing or trying to work it out yourself. I'd rather you, just approach and ask.
Kia ora, welcome everyone. Today we are having a live chat with Chantal from Rocketspark. Chantal, give us a quick introduction as to who you are and the role that you're looking to fill.
Yeah, so thanks for having me. I'm Rocketspark's customer success team leader. So we're on the hunt for a couple of customer service representatives that can join our customer success team. I look after and lead our customer success team, and we look after our customers and partners who are mainly based in New Zealand, Australia, and the UK. And I also help run and organise our customer and partner events that we support and educate, and the customer success team help as well, which is really awesome.
Nice. And then for people that might not be familiar with Rocketspark, what does Rocketspark do, or what's the problem that you solve?
Yeah, so to put it simply, we're a website builder, like website platform that people can build their own websites on, or we have a range of designers, marketers, virtual assistants that use Rocketspark to not only create websites for their businesses, but also their clients and customers of ours that want help getting their sites to the next level, or next design level, or helping with marketing and social media. So we've got a big connection there as well. Just a simple website platform that people can use themselves and keep their websites up to date.
Outstanding. Now, for this role, or the roles that you're looking to fill, is there any particular type of background, experience, key traits or characteristics that you're typically looking for?
Yeah, so you don't have to have any necessarily experience for the role, but definitely looking for someone who's empathetic and can understand customers and show their willingness to help. Someone who's a quick learner and can show initiative. There's a lot to learn, and we train on the job, but having that, being someone who can learn fast and show their initiatives definitely helps. And someone we've got a lot of processes, so someone that can follow processes and attention to detail is quite key. But with regards to any experience, you don't need any experience for the job. As I mentioned, you learn on the role, but someone who has had experience with customers in the past is definitely a bonus, because you naturally will have those empathetic needs already, or have experience dealing with customers and understand them already.
Outstanding. Now, I know that there's no typical day in the life in a startup, but what is perhaps a typical day in the life in terms of this role, if you can give a quick top line overview of that?
Yeah, so day to day, you'll be replying to customers and our partners through phone and email. You could be answering queries with regards to design, or how do I do something, how do I add an image or a button? And then you could be dealing with more of the technical side of the websites with domains and emails. But again, we teach that all through the job. I mean, when I first started, I had no idea about any of that stuff. So it's definitely a role that you can grow in and definitely learn a lot from. But typically just dealing with customers and partners, building their website, and designers who are designing websites for their clients.
Outstanding. Now, you yourself came into working for Rocketspark from university. How has your experience been transitioning from university into working for a tech company?
Yeah, it was definitely awesome starting off part-time, learning the ropes part-time while still studying, and getting experience in a kind of corporate business, or the technology side of things, and learning how everything works. I mean, studying one thing and actually doing it can be quite different. So it's definitely really beneficial. And then merging more into a full-time role once I graduated was awesome, and just grew in the role, and now I'm team leader of our customer success team, which is awesome.
Cool. And I mean, Rocketspark looks like an amazing high growth company with a great leadership team. Can you talk maybe a little bit about what the culture looks like, and what are the things that you really like about working within that environment?
We're quite relaxed and really friendly and easy to talk to, and not too serious. And it's awesome being a part of a business and team that actually have a genuine care for the customers in the team. We always are putting them first and trying to work out ways to prove better life for our customers, but then also a better life for our team as well, making it a really enjoyable place to work. I think that's like, I just love the relaxed vibe of, relaxed vibe and care that everyone has. And everyone's just really friendly and easy to talk to, and being in an environment where we're all in an open office, everyone's easy to talk to and approachable.
Yeah, and at the start you mentioned a little bit around the other part of your role, which is helping to drive the events. Can you give a description as to what some of these events look like and how often that they happen? Why do you do them in the first place?
So a couple of events we have. So we run a conference for our designers. So these are our partners who design websites for their clients. So this year we ran a 2-day conference. They come join. We mainly use these events to teach and learn, our knowledge, and pass it on to them, and get guest speakers to help them further their growth of their business for themselves and their clients. And also, just building that community, which is really awesome. And then we also have customer events. We have online webinars to help them. And then we also, we actually ran a pop-up shop in Hamilton last year, a week-long pop-up shop where we spoke on websites. We got local people who were experts in Google and social media and all sorts of like the digital world to come help. So that was really awesome to get to meet customers face to face and just new people, and just a genuine help for them. They came to free seminars or paid workshops, which was really awesome experience, and the whole team was involved. So everyone popped down at different stages during the week and helped, which was awesome.
Cool. And that, like, this person or persons that naturally get this role would be involved and engaged in that event or that event series at some stage as well, no doubt.
Yeah, definitely. Like, because especially because the customer success team are answering questions on the day-to-day basis, we try to framework those events around the common questions and be able to help them. So we definitely get the team's input on what we should be, presenting and everything like that. And then because our customer success team is the front line answering questions all the time, we love to get them involved with the event and actually meeting the customers in person as well. And getting them just there to hang around and help out, which is really awesome.
Cool. And then in terms of this as a role, so this is often a really great entry point for people to get into working in a startup or working in tech. Can you sort of describe some of the different avenues that people that start in customer support could potentially go down once they grow in the role, and the different available options in the future?
Yeah, definitely. So because you're working in the role, and this role is quite a great entry level to like learn different parts of the business. You're interacting with different departments on a day-to-day, like our marketing team we work quite closely with, especially if there's new features going out, working with each other, helping get help guides, information out there to our customers. Definitely working closely with our product team. If we get any customer requests kind of coming in, we push it to them and our development team. So you're definitely getting a good knowledge of the whole business and how it runs. So it can lead to different avenues with the marketing team, the product team, educating customers can go further into that role, development. There's lots of different avenues you can, come from. A lot of students who have started with us and are still with us come from, heaps of different backgrounds like entrepreneurship, analysis, marketing. Myself, I was marketing and events. So that was, definitely lots of opportunities there.
Cool. Yeah, a great foundation point to grow into different avenues. And I think a lot of people maybe don't really appreciate that is a really great place to start. And then in terms of like you as a person, Chantal, so if I was to ask one of your colleagues what kind of boss you are, what do you think that they would say?
I would like to think they would say I'm approachable, friendly. Just being able to approach me with any questions. I like questions. I'd rather you ask me something if you're not sure than kind of sit there stressing or trying to work it out yourself. I'd rather you just approach and ask. So I like to think they'd think of me as approachable and friendly, and I like to care for my team and look after them. So if I see something's worrying them or anything, I like to help them or kind of take over the situation to kind of protect them a little bit.
Great answer. And then before we let you back to your day, so obviously this is a great opportunity for people to get experience in a really cool New Zealand tech company. But for you, in terms of the opportunity, why do you think now is such an exciting time to join Rocketspark?
I think we're growing a lot. We've got good opportunities for the future future of Rocketspark, and also career progression as well, as I mentioned earlier. I think, yeah, as I mentioned, we're growing. We've got a customer base in New Zealand, Australia, and the UK, and we just really have a good focus for community and helping a lot of businesses. So you get to be a part of that, and it's, yeah, just really exciting time to be a part of and help them and their businesses grow, and yeah, just see the community kind of flourish within that.
Perfect. Yeah, I think it does. I mean, for someone that's either at university or has some of those key characteristics around being empathetic and sort of having the ability to deal with customers from the start of a problem to the end of a problem is a really cool way to get experience in tech, and hopefully people that are listening to this get excited about that. So if you are interested in the role, obviously check out the full job description on Matchstiq or on Rocketspark's careers page, and perhaps reach out to Chantal directly. So thanks very much for taking the time, Chantal, and we look forward to speaking again soon.
Yeah, no, thanks so much, Greg. It was great chatting.